Question 2. David and Gwyn have decided to take part in a charity run event, and they both ordered some new running kits from an online discount store. So you can see that there are 6 items there with their costs. David orders the following items: 1 pair of trainers, 2 pairs of shorts, and 3 pairs of socks. What is the total cost of the items? So we need to do that. So for David, trainers are $39.99. Here's one of them. He then buys 2 pairs of shorts. So we're going to have to do 2 times 9, £11.98, because they're £11.98 each. And then he has 3 pairs of socks. So it's 3 times the cost of the socks are £2.99. And the total cost therefore would be £39.99 plus 2 times £11.98 plus 3 times £2.99 equals, press the SD button, £72.92. So he's going to spend £72.92. And the answer to part 1. Part 2. The discount store has a delivery charge of £6.99 on all orders under £100. For all orders of £100 or over, it's free delivery. Gwyn has calculated the cost of the items in his order would be £96.62. Explain how Glyn would actually save money by adding 2 pairs of socks to his order. Okay, so the current cost for Gwyn would be £96.62 plus he'd have to pay £6.99 delivery. So his total cost would be £96.62 plus £6.99 delivery. So it would be £103.61. Now they're suggesting that Gwyn could add 2 pairs of socks and save money. Now, we know that the cost of a pair of socks is £2.99. So, Gwyn would pay £96.62 plus £2.99 plus £2.99. Socks. If he did that, that would take his cost to £102.60, which would mean he would go over £100 and therefore not incur any delivery fee. So that would be how he pays. And all you'd need to do is, so by adding two pairs of socks, he will get free delivery and save £1.01. Okay. It's a very long question. David aims to raise £200 for his chosen charity, and he sets up a sponsor me page on social media. And you can see the page at the end of the end of his first week, and what the percentage has been blocked out. So at the moment, He wanted to raise £200. He has raised 32. Part 1 says, how much more money did David need to raise in order to reach his target? So if he wants to raise £200 and he's raised 32, we're going to do 200 take away 32. So he needs another, now you could have done this in your head, take away 32 equals 168. Part 2. David thought he had raised more than 15% of his target. Was he correct? Now, when we work out percentages of an amount, you do the amount that you've raised divided by the amount that he wanted and multiply by 100. So you are going to do 32 divided by the 200 he wanted to raise times by 100 equals, and it's a 16%. So he actually had raised so far 16%. The question says David thought he raised more than 15%. Was he correct? Yes, he was. After 2 weeks, David now has raised 57% of his target. What percentage of his target does he still need to raise? So he wants to raise 100% of his target. So far he's raised 57. So 100 take away 57 means he's got 43% left of his target to raise. And C. David and Gwyn have kept a training record as they prepare for the charity race. They're recording the number of miles that they ran each day, and the mileage for week 1 is shown below. Gwyn thinks that his average daily mile is greater than that of David's. Explain why using the medians would not show this. You must show all your workings out. Okay. If you were to work out the medians for David, remember that when you work out the median, you put them in order and divide by put them in order and find the middle one. So looking at this for David, you've got a 1, a 1, a 1, a 2, a 5, a 7, and an 8. So David's median is 2. We need to do the same for Gwyn. Gwyn's median. And he's got a 1, a 1, a 1, a 2, a 4, a 6, and a 12. As you can see, they're very different numbers up here. But his median is also 2. So both medians are 2 and are the same. So that is why the medians wouldn't show it.